All right, you guys, this is Sheila, and I'm going to try something with this needle that I've never done before on my locks, you guys. I'm going to try to repair one of my thinning locks that I think that I can repair. So you guys, stay tuned because this is going to be an adventure. And you'll see my daughter coming at the end for the rescue. I think this went wrong, y'all. Just stay tuned. Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila from SheilaandFrank and also from PromoSTK. Oh yeah, baby. You guys, I have a troubled lock. Yes, a troubled lock. And I just really noticed it like the last 2 days. Y'all know I had a retightening done. And my hair is like growing like wildfire. Now I can see the new growth, so I'm gonna take this off. Ta-da! Yeah, I got my hair pulled back in a little ponytail. Y'all can see that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take this off. Y'all wanna see? I'll let y'all see. Yeah, subscribe to SheilaandFrank. Subscribe! Alright, just gonna take this off like this. Just lightly on there. And I got my little spray concoction right here. So I'm gonna just spray a little bit on my hair. So my hand's not dry when I go through it. Like this. And I have a little troubled area. And I wanna catch it before it falls off. Y'all saw my little sewing kit here. I actually was trying to figure out how can I keep this naturally naturally at my lock. So I'm gonna try something, you guys, that I've never tried before, and I'm gonna bring you guys real close, as close as possible to me, you guys, because I need to see. And I want you guys to see me do it. This is my first time ever doing anything like this. But this is the lock right here, y'all. You see that? You see? You see that thinning area? I have 2 thinning spots there, up in here, and here. And I don't want to lose it. Here's the root right here. I actually took one of, you guys know I have combined locks before. I've combined a total of 4 locks, but made them into 2, pretty much. Because with these tiny locks, they get real, real small. So I took a lock that was a part of my edge, which is right here. Y'all could probably see it. Because I just did it last night, so it's probably not all together. I'm gonna take it apart right here. See right here? This part right here? I may let it stand alone. I'm probably gonna pull it out now and let it stand alone. And I'm going to take the troubled lock. Hold on, this is middle of my edge right here. I'm gonna take the troubled lock, which is right here. And let me get one of my claw clamps so I can separate the hair. Hold on, be right back. All right, so I have my little claw, and these things are very good, you guys. So let me find that piece of hair again that needs the help. Where is it? Yo, where'd it go? Huh. No, here it is, right here. Okay, this is the one. This is the one that needs to be doctored on, you guys. So all my other hair, I'm gonna take and hold that, pinch that root there. And on my other hair, I'm just gonna take and just get it away from that one. Okay. And now I'm gonna see if I can repair it. See that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold my end here. Try to turn this way so y'all can see. I'm gonna kind of like push it up gently. See if I can, push this up like this. See how thin it is? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that thin piece, see that? And I'm going to take where the thicker part comes here, and I'm going to bring it up to here, like so. And I'm going to wet my hand a little bit, y'all, with my solution. Like that, wet my hand a little bit. And I'm going to do a little finger roll. Do a little finger roll. And put it back up here. I saw a little video, a little skit of repairing the Locs. And this, and again, this piece of hair right here is from my actual edge. This is from my actual edge. You see how long this is? But it needs help. Yeah, I know I got bad vision with my eye. I'm gonna see if I can, you know what? I'm gonna just see if I can wrap it this to that point. It don't matter that it's a little high up. See that, Brina? I'll do it like that. So now I got my needle, and y'all, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I might let my daughter do it. All right, you guys, I got my stand even more closer to me. Hold on, let me kind of like chuck my little hairs out of my way so I can't see. Let me know if you guys have done this before. Now you guys can really see. See that? It actually has started locking from the bottom on up, but I got this little thinner area here, and and as you can see, they're coming out of the root. It's just a little thin little area. I mean, just a little thin piece of hair. I mean, just a little thin piece, and that's how thin it was coming out of the root. So how this end right here got so thick is just from the swelling. But I'm gonna show y'all this. See how fine it gets down there? Very, very narrow. Now y'all can really see a close up. See that? So will it break off? I don't know, but I want to try to see if I can do something to it before it gets to that point, before it gets to the weak part. So I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna go from this end right here, and I'm gonna come up to here, like there, like there. See that right there? See that now? And then I'm gonna take and just twirl that part around. Hold on, let me get it. Hold on, y'all, let me get this right. Let me get this right. All right. I'm wondering, do I even need to do anything to it? But I think I definitely need to build it up. I don't know. What do y'all think? Do I need to salvage it or should I just cut it off? I don't know. What y'all think? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to I don't know if I'm gonna be able to salvage it. But it's hanging in strong, but it's, I don't know. What do y'all think I should do? I really want to know. Give me some advice on what I should do with this right here. Tell me what I should do. Of course, you see my gray hairs in there. that's gray. What do y'all think I should do? Comment below. If I decide to go ahead and stitch it, then I'll probably let my daughter do it because I can't see. I can't see to do it. But yeah. And then maybe I can grab some of this hair right here. You know, cause listen, I don't go to my loctician until the 28th, I believe, of March. So yeah, I want to make sure this gets taken care of before then. This is my edge. As you see, I got one of my other little babies here. See that? I have that baby there. And if I want to combine some of this to that to maybe make that root a little stronger. Maybe I can. I'm not sure though. But yeah, y'all comment below what I should do. Because I don't want to do anything to it that's going to make it worse than what it is. But this right here is my edges that I just put my gel on and slick them down. But I haven't done that yet. So, but yeah, this is I just know that root, the root here may not sustain what's being pulled from it, you know. See that? This is just see how thin that is right there? That's a thin area. And then you have a little thickness here. But then coming from out of the root, it's thin again. It's thin again. Coming out of the root, it's thin. So the root itself is thin. The root itself is tiny. So of course that's tiny. And if that was all of it to here, then it'll probably be okay. But as you see, I have all of this right here. And that could have been during a time maybe I had a slippage or I waited too long to get my retie here. And that could have caused a thinning. But I'm not gonna do anything with the root. I think what I am, see this right here? See how I slid that up like that? You guys just gotta be gentle. I saw that on the thing, but I think what I can do is maybe trying to thicken this portion up right here. So I'm gonna try to see if I can put this, let me twist this up real quick and see if I can. I already have my needle threaded. I just wanna be sure of what I'm doing, y'all. Look at my eye. Hey, waters. Hey, waters. I caught myself getting a fat needle, and I probably should have just gotten a regular small needle. But I'm gonna try. See if I can do this. And the way the lady was doing it, she was rolling it around the hair. So that's that. So she would wrap it around like this. Then she go into the lock like that. And then she wrap it around like this. Oops. Okay. And then you pull it back through there. And she wrapped it around like this. Then she put it through the hair. Okay, now I got that part done. Now what I want to do is I want to come up a little bit more. Yay! All right, so I'm going to come up a little bit more. Now that I got that part done, let me get here. Okay. And let's do it again. And by me doing this, it's gonna make the length on this one a little bit shorter because I'm pulling it up. Oh, I got some tangled thread there, but you know what? I don't care about the tangled thread. I'll get it done. Hopefully it'll just continue to strengthen that piece of hair. I guess we'll find out. Because I'm just going to take that and just wrap it around that piece of hair. That's a good idea. So I'm going through that hole right there. Pull that thread on through here. See that? Y'all see that? Let's hold it up here. Yeah. Now I'm going through my hair. And now I'll go through that hole right there. And now I'm going to go through this hole right here. And wrap it around. I'm just experimenting, y'all, that's all. It's my hair, it's my lock. I can do what I want to do with it. There we go. All right, so now I got that in there. And let me see. Just like sewing, if you know how to sew, you can do it. You can do it, yes you can. Okay, let's get this up and on. Alright. Now, y'all see how I did that right there? Now, of course, it's still thin. This part right here is still thin, but it's thin in the root. That's what I don't understand. Why is it so bunched up at the end? So what I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm gonna now try to close the gap. I'm gonna close the gap. Hold that down, close the gap. And that little loop there is my hair. And then we're gonna put it through the thread. You guys see my eye watering? Because I'm probably straining my eye. Take that through the hair. Get it in there. And then once I get it to where I want it to go, I'm gonna take and do a little palm roll. See that? Do a little roll. Let's see if I can get this. See if I can get this thread, this needle in here. I'm just trying to strengthen that this lock, you guys. I'm just trying to strengthen the lock. Okay, we're gonna end it there. I didn't bring my, oh, I got a pair of scissors to cut this. We're gonna end it there. And then I'll have my daughter take a look at it when she gets up. You don't wanna cut your hair, you just wanna cut back. I have this much thread left. Right here. Now I want to do a little palm roll, well, finger roll, because it's not really good enough to do a palm roll. But I'll try to do the palm roll. Let's see. Now there are other ways you can repair your hair, but I'm just trying this method because it's just my edge. So if it does not, sustain to where it needs to sustain, then hey, it was just my edge, and then I'll just cut it off, and then I'll just have that part right there. But yeah, I don't know why it did a little bunch of thing at the end, but it is definitely, y'all can see, it's definitely locked at the end. It locked in the end, just to do what they need to do at the top. But anyway, yeah. So, yeah, let's see the rest of my hair. Take that clip out. With my hand, my solution. Alright, so I have a premiere that's going to be starting soon. So I just want to show you guys my little problem area of a lock, because you know when you have locks, you pretty much know where everything is on your head. So don't forget to subscribe, and comment below. Yeah, let me know what y'all want me to do with that lock. Here it is right here. No, that's not it. Where is it? There it is right here. There it is right there. I guess we'll find out. See you in the next video. Bye. All right, so here's my daughter, the police officer, and Coach Tisha T to the rescue. You want me to sit down? Don't mind. Okay, I'll sit down. Yeah, I told you my daughter gonna see if she can do what I couldn't do, because I can't see. Now I might have messed up with that thread part, because I can't really see. I know, right? If you can.
What did you do? You got scissors?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, I mean, if
yeah,
I'm
right
doing
here.
it now, I might as well do it right.
Yeah, I got scissors.
Or
You know your mama can't see, girl.
Because that ain't going to make it look weird.
I'm calling myself trying to palm roll it. You almost got it.
Down there. Now I gotta get the inside a little bit more.
I didn't realize I did the turn thread that good.
You did. Just don't want to cut out that much.
But that just goes to show you that a lot of the dead hair, how it stays inside your lock. You know? Oh, you took it all off. You took my hair off too. You took my hair and your hand off. What you gonna do? You took. Shut up.
I thought that's what you did.
No.
Mama, it wasn't hanging on by much because you look what you did. You done. Thing all stuck on there.
So what you gonna do? You gonna sew it back onto there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mama.
Cause I told people.
For real?
Yeah, I told people. I said, 'cause what's gonna happen is it's right here. It's gonna
Come on.
Yeah, eventually it was gonna break from here. It was gonna be this anyway. Because this is part of. So this is part of my edge. You know.
Mom, I had to get it off.
Okay.
Oh, I'm supposed to know that. Wow, Mom. I'm over here thinking this done came off and you
No,
put
it
it back on. That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, you thought it had came off and I had put it back on?
That's how I was getting the.
Oh, Lord have mercy. No, that's not what happened. That's not what happened, Trisha. That's not what happened.
Is that long? How long you want it?
No, I need to go up further. It need to go up closer because it's already thin. See if you can put it up to the base.
The hair? Mama, it don't need to go all the way up there.
Well, then don't even worry about it then. Just
That
leave
is
it.
thick.
Well, we'll just leave it like that then.
Wow. You don't want it longer?
No, we'll just leave it like that because it's part of my, it was part of my edge, remember? See right here, look right here. See how this right here is?
Yeah.
But I don't understand how this right here got that long anyway. And got like that. See that? Look at that. And it, see how?
I'm saying this
here.
is thick in here, look like.
You think so?
Mom.
What?
They got more hair than mine.
Okay.
It's about as thick as this in here. It's not the same thickness as this one.
Okay.
But
Well, that's
it's about
fine.
the
No,
same.
this right here can stay off. I don't need this one right here on there. Because it was just weighing it down. But I figure if I can, like make it thicker, but no. That was a thick piece of hair, y'all.
Souvenir.
Okay, now. Yeah. Oh, look, there's another piece of long hair that's hanging from it, see?
Yeah, that's what was connected to this.
So, anyway, y'all, this is what it's looking like now.
Well, it's gonna sew.
Let's see. This is what it's looking like now.
Y'all, she didn't tell me it wasn't. It was.
You didn't ask, and I didn't
Mom,
think
the
that's
way
what
you were
do.
explaining it was like I sewed this back on my head and I lifted it up and I did like this and I got it on there. I wish I did up here. So I was like, okay, well I'll just do it like that, you know. And then you were like, I was like, oh well, I could take the string off.
No, because even if I was to do that right there, and you put it here, then the base right here is still gonna be here until it, all thickens out. So I'll leave it. We'll leave it like this. Because it's like I say, it was part of my edge. So I don't understand how I got like that anyway. See right here?
Yeah.
This part of my edge right here. It was just one of the edges that kept.
Long.
Yeah, that actually took.
Okay.
Well, we good.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all. So that was our remedies for today. Say bye-bye, lot. Bye-bye. So, hello, newbie. Hello, newbie. And what? This is Locs. All right. Bye, y'all. Oh, you can take a clip off it now. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, SheilaandFrank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, husband and wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over.